Hello friends, welcome to my mast kitchen. My today's recipe is mutton kofta curry. It's a perfect party dish and trust me, your guests will not leave your house without appreciating for it for many times. So let's move to my mast kitchen to prepare mutton kofta curry. For mutton kofta curry, we need to prepare mutton kofta and gravy separately. For kofta, we need 500 grams minced mutton, that is mutton keema, 5-6 flakes garlic, 1 inch ginger, 2 green chilies. We'll grind this to make a paste. 2 tablespoon coriander leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon gram flour, that is besan, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt according to taste, 1 tablespoon raisins, that is kishmish, soaked in warm water for 10 minutes, and 1 teaspoon desi ghee. For gravy, we need 3 medium-sized onion sliced, 7 to 8 flakes garlic, 1.5 inch ginger. We'll grind this to make a paste. 1 black cardamom, 4-5 green cardamom, 4-5 cloves, 1 stick cinnamon, and 1 red chili dry. 1 bay leaf soaked in water for 10 minutes. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. 1 tablespoon poppy seeds soaked in warm water for 10 minutes. 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut, and 1 cup tomato puree. We need half cup oil to prepare this dish. Now we will add all these ingredients in the minced meat. First we will add ginger, garlic and green chili paste, chopped coriander, garam masala powder, besan, which is gram flour, salt, and desi ghee. Now we'll mix it well. Now I have mixed it with spoon. Now we will grind it in a mixer grinder for even mixing. Now it is ready to make kofta. We'll take small portion and make kofta ball like this. You may keep 1 kishmish inside the kofta ball, but this is optional. I have made 18 koftas from 500 grams minced mutton. Heat oil in a round based pan. Now the oil has heated up. It's time to fry koftas. Fry kofta. We'll fry all the koftas till it changes its color to golden brown. Now the koftas have become nice golden brown color. Now we will take them out from the oil. Our mutton koftas are ready. We'll keep this aside and move to our next step. Now we will make gravy, and for that heat oil in a pan. Now the oil is hot. Now we will fry onion. We fry onion on high flame till it changes its color to golden brown. See, onion has started changing its color. I have been frying it for last 4-5 minutes. It will take another 4-5 minutes to become golden brown. Now onion is ready. See, it has turned its color to golden brown. Now we will take this out from the oil. We'll let the fried onion cool down and then grind in a mixer grinder. Add the whole spices in the hot oil. Add bay leaf. Fry for 30 seconds. Now add ginger garlic paste. Fry for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red mirch powder and salt, and fry for 30 more seconds. Now add the fried onion paste. Fry it for 1 minute on medium flame. Add tomato puree. Fry for 2-3 minutes on medium flame. Now add desiccated coconut, curd and poppy seeds mixture, that is khaskhas. Mix well and fry till oil separates. We can see the oil has separated. A lovely aroma is coming. Now we will add 2 cups of water. And bring it to boil. Now as gravy has started boiling, we will add the kofta. Now we will cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Remove the lid, getting lovely aroma. Now our mutton kofta curry is ready to be served. Delicious mutton kofta curry is ready. Friends, hope you like the recipe, and if you like my videos, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.